a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Wow! Roar, roar, it's party time. Dino sings a happy rhyme. Birthday cake is big and bright, so let's have fun all day and night. 5 little dinos at the party are clapping hands and feeling hearty. One big dino took a bite. Oops, the cake went flying right. Oh no, cake disaster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. 4 little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. 3 little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. 2 little dinos fixing fast. Now this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino proud and glad. Birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan. Maybe hide it? No, let's clean up. Good idea.
Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, don't you stop. Floating in a bubble pop. No, no, don't let go. Baby shark is stuck, oh no. called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. 4 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake, and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow! 3 dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey, and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. 2 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in, muddy and hissing. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion, and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. 1 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard, and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos, and they then said, come on, let's stomp again tonight. Listen to other dino jungle songs. For choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo-choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight. Oh no! Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo-choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says, I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation, stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo-choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep, beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. Hi, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo-choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo-choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.